My name's Amy from Vanlux, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2022 Volkswagen California camper. This vehicle has done just over 13,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. As we step inside, we can see the kitchen area, which is complete with a sink, cooker and fridge. Just below we have our portable table, and from the pictures we'll be able to see this provides us with a dining area. We have our first of two double beds, and again from the pictures we can see that this transforms into two belted seats, making this camper 4 belts, 4 berth. On the steering wheel we have features such as cruise control and voice control. On the screen, using the buttons to the left, we can get quick access to radio, media and menu. To the right we have Bluetooth, Apple and Android CarPlay and voice control. If you put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with park distance control. Just below the screen we have our AC. And if we pan the camera around, we can get a good view of the pop top. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.